Hello, Trailblazers. As we all know about the Forcesquares and its varieties of products and services. For the past many years, it is a well-known name in the Salesforce community. By keeping the revolution in mind, here is another glimpse by the new age developers, Squares file sharing. DS file sharing is simple but a promising app. Sharing large files is always a task for the developer community. Now, sharing files in the community group becomes easy. But you should remember that only Salesforce community users can share files. The users can easily track the history and details of the recipient and sender. So, keep track of all of the required things in a smooth flow. Searching and installing Squares file sharing is a hassle-free thing. You just need to search for the app in the navigation search bar. Click on the app and it will redirect you to the detailed application page. On the top right side, Get it now, install the app, choose the environment, accept terms and conditions. You are all set to get a smooth and seamless experience.